Right, here we have an example of a bird photograph with a busy background. So we open it in Lightroom Classic, import it in, and what we're going to do is create a mask for the background. So we're adding a mask and we select background. It's done a pretty good job here. Now that we've got the background selected, we're going to adjust this mask, and what we're going to do is slightly reduce the saturation of the background to keep the focus on the subject. We're going to reduce the texture as well as the clarity, and we're going to reduce the sharpness, all these settings. If you want to take it one step further and create more blur in the background, what we could do is duplicate this mask. Duplicate this mask. And as you see, it's duplicated the mask and it's got more blurry and a bit darker. And if you want to, you can add another duplication. What you could also do is, in the background mask, reduce the whites and the highlights. And that way, I've gone a little bit over, but it shows makes the subject pop, and there's less distraction on the background. All right, now you can see where we started there to what it looks like now, before and after. I hope you found this quick tutorial useful. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Cheers. See you in the next one.